Bioprocessing 4.0, the biopharmaceutical version of Industry 4.0, is on course to become a reality in the next decade. This is because its cyber-physical systems that comprise cloud computing, connected systems, and digital process control offer many benefits. They include better process monitoring and management of the biologics' critical quality attributes and a chance to control intensified processes for faster, less expensive production of protein-based biologics and vaccines. Automation also can reduce the number of skilled operators needed while making manual tasks less error-prone and more efficient. That frees scientists to work on multiple processes simultaneously and respond rapidly to process issues even from remote locations. Being ready for Bioprocessing 4.0 does not require completion in one giant leap, but instead should be a journey of manageable steps. Adopting available automation and real-time monitoring systems enabled by Process Analytical Technology from suppliers with a global network, deep process knowledge and understanding of pain points can facilitate the transition towards Bioprocessing 4.0. One part of the Process Analytical Technology is of course a device which monitors the health of the cells. So now our Vi-CELL BLU cell viability analyzer comes into play.